You no get to talkie to the doctor. No, no, no. I have me a snug white coat before I know
With
it.
straps.
Yeah, it's so comforting. It's like a big hug.
Yeah. I can't quite reach the back buckles. How do I get this
A
thing off?
little hard to put on and off, but yeah, it's like one of them thunder coats for your dog. Yeah,
Yeah. At first, I was thinking coats, like a lab coat, but then I knew what you meant.
yeah. No, no, no. Yeah,
The other one, the one for the ward
yeah.
coats.
The lab coat. That's my other job as the mad scientist. We don't talk about that.
Roll.